Dear student, last day I taught you civics lesson 3rd, the state government. In this lesson, the state legislature राज्य विधायिका में दो सदन पाए जाते हैं, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली विधानसभा और लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल विधान परिषद। इनके बारे में मैंने पढ़ा दिया। आज अब हम आपको फंक्शन ऑफ लेजिस्लेचर, इसके फंक्शन पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। क्या पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं? फंक्शन, ये हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं। फंक्शन क्या है? कार्य हिंदी में कहते हैं। एक्टिविटीज ऑफ द लेजिस्लेशन, स्टेट जिस प्रकार से पार्लियामेंट के काम वर्क्स या एक्टिविटीज पाई जाती हैं, उसी प्रकार से इसके भी फंक्शन पाए जाते हैं। तो इसके फंक्शन क्या हैं? कहते हैं द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर फंक्शन इज मैनर सिमिलर टू दैट ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट। पार्लियामेंट के ही समान पाया जाता है। लेजिस्लेटिव फंक्शन, द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर कैन enact laws on 61 subjects contained in the state list and 52 subjects included in concurrent list. In this constitution, three types of list included in it. Three types of list included in constitution. स्टेट लिस्ट एंड कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट के अंतर्गत ये लेजिस्लेचर आपके कार्य करते हैं, कानून बनाते। स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर के अंतर्गत 61 सब्जेक्ट एंड कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट के अंतर्गत 52 सब्जेक्ट पाए जाते हैं। इन केस अ लॉ पास्ड बाय अ स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर इज contrary to a law passed by the union legislature parliament, the central law shall prevail when the state legislature is not in session. The governor can issue an ordinance and the same is considered when it is in session. The most important power of the state legislature is the control on the state executive. The chief minister and his council of ministers can remain in office so long as they enjoy the confidence of the majority of the members of the state assembly. The assembly may pass a non-confidence motion against the council of ministers if a bill moved by a minister is defeated in the house. It is also considered to be a vote of no confidence. In both cases, the state minister has to resign. Legislation limitation on powers of the state legislature. Power क्या है? Following are some of the limitation on the powers of the state legislature. First, bill on certain subject cannot be introduced in the state legislature without the prior approval of the president. Bill on certain subject passed by the state legislature cannot be signed by the governor and they have to be sent to the president for his consideration and assent. The governor of the state can reserve any bill passed by the state legislature for the consideration of the President. Position of Legislative Assembly. Position of Legislative Assembly. Position of the State Legislative Assembly is very strong. It enjoys all the legislative powers of the state. If there is Legislative Council also, it is very weak before the Legislative Assembly. It has control over the legislature and also on the state executive. Relation between Legislative Assembly, विधान सभा एंड लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल विधान परिषद के क्या बीच में संबंध पाए जाते हैं, ये देखो. Legislative Assembly essential for the state, while the Legislative Council is optional. In matter of exercising control over the state executive, the Legislative Council has only formal power and has little authority to interpreting the government. Third, an ordinary bill can be introduced in the Legislative Council, but the money bill cannot be introduced in the Legislative Council. The Legislative Council can delay a bill for some time, but it cannot hold it permanently. From bill to act. Bill to act. बिल क्या है और एक्ट क्या है, अंतर है, डिफरेंस. बिल को हिंदी में कच्चा कानून कह सकते हैं. जब तक प्रेसिडेंट पार्लियामेंट का प्रमोशन न मिल जाए, पार्लियामेंट की जब तक की सहमति नहीं मिल जाए, उसके अनुसार पास न हो जाए और एट लास्ट प्रेसिडेंट के जब तक साइन न हो जाए, तब तक वो कानून नहीं बनता है. तो जब तक पार्लियामेंट में पास न हो, उस पर प्रेसिडेंट पे साइन न हो, तो वो बिल कहलाता है. और आफ्टर साइन के बाद ही, प्रेसिडेंट के साइन के बाद ही वह एक्ट बन जाता है. तो फ्रॉम बिल टू एक्ट कैसे, अर्थात बिल कच्चा कानून कैसे कानून पास किया जाता है, कैसे कानून बनता है, इसके बारे में. द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग एंड पासिंग लॉ इन कॉल्ड लेजिस्लेशन. The house where this take place is known as the legislature, people's representative both at the center and the state. The MPs, MLAs and MLAs are once involved in law-making process, so they are called legislature. The laws for the whole nation are enacted in the parliament. Similarly, the laws applicable only in a particular state are enacted in the legislature of the state. Steps involved in the process of making a law. A bill or the draft of the proposal law is introduced either in the Legislative Assembly or in the Legislative Council of the state. It is discussed in the House and amendments are made if necessary before it is put to vote. If the bill is passed, it is sent to the governor for approval. It becomes an act only after the governor signs it. There are various types of the bill. Money bill and other financial bill are introduced only in the Legislative Assembly. State Executive. The state executive consists of the governor, the chief minister and council of ministers. The structure of the state executive is similar to that of the union executive. Governor. The governor is the nominal head of the state executive. He is appointed by the President of India for a term of 5 years, but may be removed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Qualification: he should be a citizen of India and be at least 35 years of age. If he is member of the Parliament or state legislature, he has to resign from the seat after assuming offices of the governor. He cannot hold any office or profit under the government at any level. Power and function of governor. Next.